It is incredibly important to be aligned with the financial modeling space right now. I joined recruitment in 2014, and I definitely noticed that in the recovery post GFC, assets are being very tightly underwritten. There was no more just intuition about whether you buy or sell a building based on gut feel at the pub, trading unofficially. It was all about having rigorous underwriting to really assess the IRR of an asset. And when funds took that approach, they mirrored it in all of their hiring, whether it was traditional surveying recruitment in asset management, property management, landlord and tenant, through to the more classical analytical disciplines like investment and financial underwriting, fund analyst, portfolio analyst, valuation. Nearly all processes I worked on involve some element of case study or modeling test. And in the last 6 or 7 years, that's only become more and more clear. And I'd say in the last year or two, as we've explained the rise of living, of assets being bought and then redeveloped, that financial literacy has become even more key in anyone looking to get a job, to the extent where I'm trying to think of many roles I can right now where there hasn't been some form of modeling test in between. If I was to give a singular piece of advice to someone looking to get into our industry or maybe maximize their skill set in our industry, it would be to do a financial modeling course.